Payoneer versus Square. Two fintech giants. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Payoneer. Global payments made for digital nomads. And on the right, Square. US-focused POS and business tools for modern merchants. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points. And at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise international freelancers and US small business owners alike. Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick mind map of everything we're pitting Payoneer against Square on. We're looking at global reach, point-of-sale features, fees and pricing, debit card and spending, payment speed, security and compliance, integrations and tools, and finally, who is it actually for? So, hopes up, we're covering a lot. Let's dig in, starting with global reach. Let's start with the big picture. Global reach. Honestly, Payoneer is kinda legendary here. I mean, they support over 190 countries and a truckload of currencies. If you're a digital nomad or running a remote team, this is your jam. But on the flip side, it's not built for brick-and-mortar stores. Now, Square, they nail it in select places. Think the US, Canada, UK. Perfect for anyone running a small shop in those countries, but if you're after true international tools, not so much. Winner for global reach? Yeah, that's Payoneer, hands down. Next, let's talk point of sale. So, Payoneer, it's basically online transfers. Good for remote work. Not really what you want if you've got a physical shop, right? But Square? This is their playground. They've got killer POS hardware, mobile card readers, inventory management, all that jazz. If you need receipts and retail vibes, Square is, honestly, the standard in 2025. So for POS, there's really no contest. Square takes this round. Moving on to fees and pricing. Payoneer keeps it easy to get started. Free accounts and no monthly fee as long as you're using it. But there's that sneaky $29.95 annual inactivity fee, and those withdrawal fees can sting, especially with currency conversion. Square, no monthly or annual fees on their core plan. US transactions are super clear. 2.6% plus 15 cents in person, 2.9 plus 30 cents online. The debit card is free too, but yeah, rates go up for keyed or online payments. And you're out of luck if you want in-platform currency conversion. Still, Square's pricing is generally better for small US businesses. Square wins the fee game. Oh, and here's something cool that most folks miss. Payoneer lets you receive funds in up to 8 different currencies. If you're working clients everywhere, that's honestly amazing. Global hustling made simple. Now, debit card and spending. Here's where I get hyped about Payoneer again. Their MasterCard works just about everywhere. So if you're hopping continents, grabbing cash from ATMs is a breeze. Sure, there's an annual $29.95 fee for the card, but the flexibility is gold. Square's card, on the other hand, is free, slick with Apple and Google Pay integration, but it's basically tied to your US dollars. If you travel, not so great. So if you want true global spending power, honestly, Payoneer edges out here. All right, payment speed. For Payoneer, payouts can be pretty flexible, but if you're working cross-border, withdrawals can take a day, or even 5. Not ideal if you're in a hurry. Square's big selling point? Payments hit your US bank account instantly, or by the next business day. And if you're fine with a small instant transfer fee, you get cash basically right away. The catch? It's only that fast inside the US banking world. So for payment speed, Square is the clear winner. Let's get serious. Security and compliance. And honestly, both do a solid job here. Payoneer's regulated in multiple countries, has good fraud detection, though sometimes account verifications can slow your roll a little. Square is PCI compliant in the US, and their fraud protection is active 24/7. No big complaints with either. They're both tight on security. So yeah, call this a tie. Integrations and tools. Here's where Square flexes a bit. Payoneer is awesome if you just want to hook up with places like Amazon or Upwork. But beyond that, kinda limited. Square is your all-in-one business kit. Invoicing, e-commerce builder, POS, payroll, a ton of third-party apps, and even more in their marketplace. Some stuff is US only, but if you want a toolkit, Square's got you covered. Winner? Square, by a mile. And finally, who is it for? Look, if you're a freelancer, remote worker, agency bouncing between countries, Payoneer is probably your best friend. If you're running a cafe, a small shop, or any local business in the US, it's gotta be Square. Limited options for each if you flip their main use case. So honestly, they both know their crowd. This one's a tie. All right, so if you're a chart geek, Here's what it looks like visually. Payoneer totally dominates in global reach and international spending, but Square runs laps on POS hardware, payment speed, and integrations. Both are stellar for their own crowd when it comes to security and audience. Pretty nice balance, yeah? Okay, so bottom line, choose Payoneer if you're freelancing across borders or leading remote teams. If you want the smoothest, fastest US transactions and a killer POS setup for your shop, it's Square all day long. Neither one is the magic bullet for everyone, but for their core missions, they absolutely deliver. Hey, if you love fintech face-offs like this, don't forget to bookmark the comparison. And if you want more bite-sized breakdowns of payment platforms, business tools, and global hustling tips, stick around. More smart insights headed your way.